Hey, did anything happen in there? I lost all pressure out here, Jack. I opened the back of the truck this morning and I was like, Jack must be hungry. He's got the box of Sun Chips on the truck.
You were handing me all the...
I was like, this kid's packing chips on the truck.
Jake, we were saying this morning, me and Gerald, we're going to have an eating competition.
You and Gerald?
Yes. Hot dog eating competition.
Does Gerald,
if they're free hot dogs, I will participate.
You gotta pay for each one you eat.
He said if it contains 3 hot dogs, I will participate.
If I don't have...
Go right over here.
If I do not have to pay for the food, I will participate. Ready? Today we got our air handler. We got a pretty tight attic hatch. We got maybe a ½ inch on each side, so it's going to be interesting getting it up here. It's not going to be fun. The problem is the springs don't really want to move a lot, so we're going to have to see if we can sneak this up there. It's going to be interesting, but good thing Corey brought his muscles today, because I didn't.
So, you want to be up there pulling? I'll push up here.
Can be.
Fit into the hole. I think Jack just can't lift it.
That too.
I brought my muscles, Jack.
Yeah. Down a little bit.
No, kick it towards this. Kick it towards the light up in the ceiling.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on, coming up with it. Tip it back. Tip it back. No, no.
Back that way. We're good.
So we got the, just your typical AC unit. Got an air handler inside, condenser outside. We got to replace the line set, drain. Nothing we really can't handle, but at the same time, weather's not really in our favor today, so gonna go outside and get a little wet. It's one of those ones where it's, gotta get the job done, no matter what happens. So we'll get it done. Ready to deliver me. That's what. You got probably about 6 inches, 8 inches there, and you got 6 to 8 inches of the unit, but the unit's in the pan.
Okay.
So
it's pretty even, so I think it's good where it is. So we took the old unit out this morning, and we have a drainage pipe back here, and basically this is just the vent for all the sewage and everything. But I saw daylight outside from the roof boot, so that's not a good thing. You shouldn't be able to see daylight from the roof. Today it's raining out, so everything's wet out.
Insulation.
We noticed on the insulation has water on it. It's building up mold on the insulation. So we're gonna bring this to the customer's attention in a little bit.
It's like, what? Hi. What do you want? We got the unit upstairs. It did fit through that hole, luckily. We hung the unit. It's on Unistrut and it's hung with threaded rod now. We got the return hooked up. We're gonna run the line set after lunch. We're gonna run the drain after lunch, and this is a 2-day job, so we got plenty of time ahead of us to conquer everything.
Sunrise, sunset.
We gotta get the ladder set up. Yeah, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. It's basically gutter material that a bunch of people used to use. The way they mounted it doesn't really look that great, and we gotta replace the lines anyways.
And the new one won't allow spiders to get in.
Yeah, the new one is gonna be spider free, so.
Don't stick your fingers in there, because you don't know what's in there. If you get bit by a spider, I'll drive you to the hospital, but I'm not sucking the venom out of your finger, so. Try to save your life.
You like spiders, Jack?
I
can take them or leave them. So today's day 2 on this job we're at over here in New Milford. Basically yesterday we got all the equipment mounted. We got the unit hung in the attic. Today we're just connecting everything. We're gonna get some pressure on it this morning. We got our work cut out for us on a Friday here, so hopefully we get out of here on time. Everybody wants to be out on time on a Friday.
Hey, did anything happen in there? I'd lost all pressure out here, Jack. Are all your fittings crimped inside? Like I have the hose open and there's nothing. I have nothing coming out. And I just put 350 in it plus. It's moving, correct? You go to even it out.
Corey,
Just check.
valves are closed.
We just had a little hiccup. Thought there was something really drastically wrong with the unit here. I thought that there was a leak either in this coil or the inside coil, but it turned out to be that this was just shut. So it's something as simple as that. This right here, this little spin dial, you could, turn in and out, and that stops the flow from our nitrogen tank into the system when we're pressure check. I personally like to use these ball valves. I leave this open. Sometimes it gets shut, but that's like the little things you gotta watch. On a Friday, you really think you got a big issue, and it turned out to be something simple.
You turned off, Jeff?
Yeah, the 2 bottom ones, I believe.
2 bottom ones?
Well, almost bottom. The 13, 14, or no. Where is it? Yeah.
There's 2 that are off at the moment.
I got the AC, the 14 and 15.
Yep.
And then 33 and 34, I believe.
The attic air handlers on a double full 15?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, flip it on. We gotta make sure we have 240 up here.
Alright. It's on.
We have the P-trap alarm. We have the pan alarm, and all that low voltage that's got to get in there.
And that's all the low voltage, I'm assuming, gets tied onto this little this bar right here.
Yes, sir.
So this is on the job sheet metal fabrication. It's never easy. It always requires a little outside of the box thinking about how to make stuff up without the proper sheet metal tools. We have them all back at the shop, but sometimes you can't really get these measurements until you're out on the job. So today we're going to bend up some pieces and try to make some patches for some ductwork.
You gotta see if there's a door switch on that unit too.
He just said, did he just turn on? Yeah.
All right, yeah, it was the float.
Flow.
Alright, we're good.
Here we are. It's 1:30 on a Friday afternoon. We've got we're putting the finishing touches on this unit. We started it up, made sure everything works, everything's wired correctly. We're just tying in the last bit of the flexible duct runs. We got to insulate a few more things, seal up a few air holes, and then hopefully we should just about be done here. So this customer has AC now. So.